Hi, I am Amit Lunkad from Sitabai Thite College of Pharmacy Shirur comes with the presentation on sulfonamides. After completion of this presentation, learners will able to know why sulfonamides are not effective in presence of pus. So let's begin the reason behind this. Sulfonamides are not effective in presence of pus. As all of you know, PABA means para-aminobenzoic acid is required for synthesis of folic acid in microorganism and for their further growth. Sulfonamide having structural similarity to that of para-aminobenzoic acid, so both are competitive inhibitors of each other. So here is the structure of para-aminobenzoic acid and sulfonamide. So both are having structural similarity. So these are competitive inhibitors which compete for the same receptor to get binds. And as they having structural similarity, so if anyone having maximum concentration, then they will acquire the receptor. So in case of this pus containing large amount of PABA, and due to that it can be overcome the effect of sulfonamide, the PABA will get binds to the receptor or enzyme which is dihydrofolate synthase. So due to that sulfonamides in therapeutic dose does not effective. So need to requires to produce the effect requires large dose of sulfonamide to compete with PABA and get binds to the enzyme dihydrofolate synthase and produce the antibacterial action. But due to that it will result in renal complication such as crystalluria, hematuria and renal damage. So if you increase the dose of sulfonamide, all these complications will occur. So to avoid these renal complications, sulfonamides are not used in large doses and hence sulfonamides are ineffective in presence of pus. So here we get the reason behind this why sulfonamides are ineffective in presence of pus. All of you getting this? Thank you very much and happy learning.